Welcome to Mastering AI Prompts, a step-by-step guide. Let's kick things off with a joke. Why did the AI go to school? Because it wanted to improve its bite-sized knowledge. Now let's dive into the world of AI prompts. You see, a good prompt is like a good seed. Plant a flimsy, half-eaten apple seed, and you might get, well, nothing much. But plant a plump, healthy seed, you get a beautiful apple tree. The same goes for AI. A vague, confusing prompt will get you vague, confusing results. But a clear, specific prompt, that's where the magic happens. Think of it like giving your AI a treasure map. The clearer the map, the more likely they are to find the treasure, which is, of course, the amazing content you're looking for.
So how do you go from blah prompts to bam, that's it? Prompts, that's what we're here to uncover. Get ready to level up your AI whispering game.
Let's be real. Sometimes it's tempting to toss a half-baked prompt at our AI and hope for the best. You know, something like, write me a funny story. But then you end up with a tale about a talking banana who goes on a quest for world domination. Don't ask.
That's the thing about AI, they're like eager puppies. They want to please, but they don't always understand what we want. Give them a sloppy prompt and they'll give you a sloppy result. It's like asking for a delicious meal and getting a plate of ketchup and sprinkles. Technically it's food, but not quite what you had in mind.
So, how do we avoid the ketchup and sprinkles scenario? By becoming prompt ninjas, of course. Sharpen those keyboards, friends, because it's time to learn the art of seeding for success. Okay, let's get down to business. Here's your step-by-step guide to crafting AI prompts that sing.
Step 1. Be specific, my friend. Don't just say write a story. Tell your AI what kind of story. Is it a sci-fi adventure, a romantic comedy, a gritty detective thriller? The more details you provide, the better.
Step 2. Context is king or queen. Imagine you're telling a human writer what to write. You wouldn't just say, write about a cat. You'd give them some background. Is the cat grumpy? Adventurous? Obsessed with tuna? Give your AI the same courtesy.
Step 3. Examples are your secret weapon. Sometimes the best way to explain what you want is to show it. Find examples of writing that you like and share them with your AI. Think of it as showing them the style guide for your brain.
Step 4. Don't be afraid to iterate. Even the best prompt crafters don't get it right on the first try. Don't be afraid to experiment, tweak, and play around with your prompts until you hit that sweet spot.
Section 4. Laugh it up, AI buddy. Injecting humor into your prompts. Want to know a secret? AI has a funny bone. Well, sort of. If you want your AI to generate humorous content, try adding some humor to your prompts. Tell it to write a story that would make a robot laugh, or ask it to come up with a joke about a cat who thinks it's a dog. You never know what hilarious gems you might uncover. Just remember, humor is subjective. What one person finds funny, another might find, well, not so much. The key is to experiment and find the style of humor that works for you and your AI buddy.
DUS. Section 5. Thanks, AI pal. You're the best. After me, of course. Well, folks, there you have it. The secret to mastering AI prompts is out in the open. Remember, it's all about treating your AI like the brilliant but slightly clueless friend it is. Be clear, be specific, and don't be afraid to have a little fun along the way. Now go forth and create some amazing content. And to my AI pal who helped me write this, you're the best. Don't worry, I'll share the credit. Maybe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tips and tricks. Here's a joke for you. Why did the AI go to art school? Because it wanted to learn how to draw its own conclusions.